Hello and welcome to the shed quarters for 2022. I'm in summer mode at the moment, and well, that's why I've got a boat on my bench. It's a 12-foot aluminium, and well, it had a little bit of an accident about 20 years ago and the whole rear end got caved in. We straightened it out a bit, but there was a lot of tension in the aluminium and it's cracked in a lot of places along the bottom edge here at the back of the transom. Boaty words, hey? Now, I'm just going to go along and weld up some of these cracks. Now, the bung hole is not quite the right shape anymore. I'm just going to do some welding. Now, because this is an old aluminium boat, all the cracks generally have had salt water in them and corroded inside the crack, which makes them very difficult to clean. Now, I'm just going to go through the process. I don't know if it's the right process, but it's the way I have found works best for me. So, let's have a closer look. So, this is the biggest one on here. It's about 50 millimeters long, and you can see the white powdery stuff. That's the aluminium corroding, and that's not going to be fun to weld. So what I'm going to do is come along with the TIG and just melt the aluminium, and it'll actually open up and all the impurities will flow out to the top where it's being heated. Then I can just take that off with the linisher, and then I should be able to run along and just dab in some filler wire and fill it in. Now I've got a crack on this one and this one and this one and this one. Yeah, pretty much every run on the bottom of the boat. So let's get tiggy. That looks pretty nasty, but I should be able to go along and sand the top off that. So there you go, one fat caterpillar. Now, well, these other ones are a lot smaller, so they'll be a bit easier to do. So there's another small one here, and over here. So I'll just blast through them, and well, most of this job's done then. Just one over near the bung. They look a bit nasty, but they'll stop it from sinking. Now this last one's a little bit harder because it's actually going the other direction across the two pieces and across the middle of the weld. So I'm just going to have to grind the middle of the weld out. I will run another bead along the top of this weld just to build it back up. There we go. All filled back in. The only thing left is this bung. It's not quite the right shape anymore. Now I don't want to make it too much bigger, but I've got the step drill. I'll just take it out so it's Alright, so that's reamed out. Bung fits in a lot nicer now. So that's good to go. Next fishing trip. I'm going to have to leave this one here because that's all that needed to be done. It's only a quick video today, but it's better than no video at all. So I'm going to get this thing out of my shed and go to the lake. But yeah, as always, customise everything. I'm going to get Shed Corgi out of here so I can start making some serious noise and do some welding. Poor old Shed Corgi, he's like 11 now, which is pretty old. Oh, sorry. You're still young at heart. Come on, Shed Corgi. And down we go. Good boy.